name's Kayla and I'm here with Zane. He's a student in our heavy equipment program and he's gonna show me how to do some basic operations on this machine. So what is it?
This is a mini excavator used in landscaping and basic construction to move dirt and large objects.
Cool, so how would I move some dirt?
You would come up to the machine.
Okay.
And get up in the seat.
Got it.
Buckle your seat belt. Okay, so your key is down on the right.
Okay.
And you will turn the key to start the engine.
Okay.
So this is your enable safety switch. You're buckled in and the engine is on. This is your boom, your blade, and your stick, and then your bucket and thumb. So you can control your blade with this. You can lift your blade up and down for stability, and then if you wanted to move dirt. This is your stick. You can curl your stick in, push your stick out, and then side to side you can swing, you can turn the machine, and then if you want to dump, this is dump, in is curl, thumb, contract, and then this is your boom, your big arm.
Okay.
And these are your forward and back.
Okay, we'll get to digging.
Yeah.
Safety. And, so what we'll do is curl this out, go all the way down. Oh, let me put that down. Come this way. Pull, curling in. Are moving this way. There. Smile. Over here. Take that.
So you could go for a rock over there if you
Where's the
swing
rock?
over slowly.
Okay. And go down. Get my rock. Oh, I didn't get it.
So this is your blade.
Oh, I got it.
Your first arm.
Oh, I
is
got
your
the rock.
boom. Always your boom.
It's my
Okay.
rock
Your second
now.
arm is your stick.
Okay.
Come around.
Just like that. So how did I do?
You did good.
Really? Thank you. You're a good
welcome.
teacher. So why is it important to know how machines work?
It's important to know how machines work so you can fix them. If you don't understand it, you can't fix it. That's why I chose Dixie Tech.
If you want to learn that stuff like Zane knows, join our heavy equipment program, come on a tour, and learn more about this awesome program. Thanks.